Hey, Tammy Sheffield here again with an amazing instructional tech tool resource. This one is called Safe YouTube, and here is the website. You are definitely going to want to go to this website and bookmark this page. Safe YouTube is an amazing resource that lets you remove the ads that pop up during a YouTube video. You're definitely going to want to use this site. All of us have had that moment where we are showing a YouTube video in class and we either have to wait for the ad at the beginning of the show to quit playing, or we have these pop-up ads like in this screenshot right here that show up in the middle of a video, and like in this one it covers up what the kids should be reading. So Safe YouTube is a great resource to remove those ads from the beginning of videos and those ads that pop up during videos, and it also prevents at the end of the video, when all those other little suggested clips show up, any inappropriate pictures from showing up at the end of a YouTube video. It's super easy to use, it's free, you're definitely going to love using SafeTube. To use SafeTube, all you have to do is copy the YouTube video URL into the SafeTube link generator, and then hit generate link. Once you've done that, SafeTube is going to create a link for you that has removed all of the different ads. You can then copy, view, or share the link. So what will happen is the video will now play without the ads. The link is reusable, so once you've created a link using this, you don't have to go back and create the link again, and you can share the link. And this link can be played on any device. I use it all the time. I never want to take a chance of something inappropriate popping up in a video that I'm trying to show. I don't need the kids being exposed to more advertisement than they already are on a normal everyday basis. So I use Safe YouTube all the time to get ad-free YouTube videos. And like I said, I love it because the links are good. Once you've made them, they're good for as long as the video lasts. And not only is it a great resource for using with your students, this is also a great resource if you're sharing a video in a staff meeting, or if you're presenting something for a professional development program. This will save you a lot of embarrassment from having an inappropriate ad pop up, or again those embarrassing pictures at the end of a YouTube video that sometimes pop up. So again, it's not only great for using with our students, it's also great for using in any professional setting that we may share a YouTube video. Again, check it out. It is Safe YouTube. The ISTE standards for it that I chose are for educators, 5A, use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experiences that foster independent learning and accommodate learner differences and needs. And the ISTE standard for educators, 5B, design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active, deep learning. I think anything that removes advertisement, unnecessary advertisement from a video, helps us establish and follow both of these standards. So again, it's Safe YouTube, safeyoutube.net. Check it out, use it frequently, save yourself a lot of embarrassment in front of your students and your peers. Thanks again for watching my video. Talk to you later. Have a good one.